HVAC is an acronym you might hear quite often. It stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These three functions are absolutely vital for our modern buildings. They work together to create comfortable and healthy indoor spaces for us. Without effective HVAC systems, our homes and workplaces would be far less pleasant. These systems are not just luxuries, they are essential for daily life. They manage the air around us in very important ways. Understanding HVAC helps us appreciate the comfort we often take for granted. It is a technology that quietly works in the background. The significance of HVAC in residential buildings cannot be overstated. In our homes, HVAC systems keep us warm during the cold winter months. They also provide cooling relief when the summer sun beats down. Proper ventilation ensures that the air we breathe indoors is fresh and clean. This helps to remove stale air and any airborne pollutants. Families rely on these systems for their everyday comfort and well-being. A well-functioning HVAC system contributes to a healthier living environment for everyone inside. It makes our homes a true sanctuary from the outside elements, regardless of the season. For commercial buildings, HVAC systems are equally, if not more, crucial. Offices, shops, hospitals, and schools all depend on reliable HVAC. These systems maintain a productive environment for employees and a welcoming atmosphere for customers. In places like hospitals, precise climate control is critical for patient care and safety. Large commercial spaces require robust systems capable of managing air quality for many people. Effective HVAC also protects sensitive equipment and materials from damage due to extreme temperatures or humidity. The scale might be different, but the fundamental need for controlled indoor air remains the same. Essentially, HVAC systems are the unsung heroes of building management. They are responsible for creating and maintaining an ideal indoor climate. This involves more than just making a room warmer or cooler. It encompasses the entire quality of the air we interact with daily. These systems control temperature, manage the movement of air, and help to purify it. They work tirelessly to ensure that the air is not too humid or too dry. This careful balancing act is what makes our indoor spaces both comfortable and conducive to good health. It is a complex interplay of different technologies working in concert. Heating is a fundamental concept within HVAC, especially in colder regions. The primary purpose of a heating system is to generate warmth. It raises the indoor air temperature to a comfortable level when the outside temperature drops. This is typically achieved using a furnace, a boiler, or a heat pump. Furnaces burn fuel or use electricity to create heat, which is then distributed. Heat pumps cleverly extract heat from the outside air, even when it's cold or from the ground. Maintaining adequate warmth is essential not just for comfort, but also for preventing issues like frozen pipes. It makes our homes habitable during the chilliest parts of the year. Ventilation is the process of exchanging or replacing air in any space. This is done to improve indoor air quality. It involves bringing in fresh outdoor air and removing stale indoor air. Stale air can contain pollutants, moisture, odors, and allergens. Proper ventilation helps to dilute and remove these contaminants. This can be achieved naturally through open windows and doors. However, mechanical ventilation systems like exhaust fans or dedicated air handling units are often more effective. Good ventilation is key to preventing the buildup of harmful substances and ensuring a healthy breathing environment for occupants. It keeps the air feeling fresh and less stuffy. Air conditioning is the process of removing heat and moisture from an indoor space. This is done to improve the comfort of occupants during hot weather. Most air conditioning systems work by using a refrigerant. This special fluid absorbs heat from the indoor air. The absorbed heat is then transported outside and released. As the air cools, it also loses some of its moisture content. This dehumidification aspect is very important for comfort, as high humidity can make warm temperatures feel even more oppressive. Air conditioning allows us to remain cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Humidity control is another vital aspect of managing the indoor environment. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air. If the air is too humid, it can feel sticky and uncomfortable. Excessive humidity can also promote the growth of mold, mildew, and dust mites. These can cause health problems and damage building materials. Conversely, if the air is too dry, it can lead to dry skin, irritated sinuses, and static electricity. Many HVAC systems include features to manage humidity levels. Humidifiers add moisture to dry air, while dehumidifiers, often part of the air conditioning process, remove excess moisture. Maintaining balanced humidity is crucial. The thermostat is often considered the brain of an HVAC system. It is the device that allows you to control the temperature inside your building. You set your desired temperature and the thermostat monitors the current indoor temperature. If the actual temperature deviates from your set point, the thermostat signals the heating or cooling system to turn on or off. Modern thermostats can be programmable, allowing you to set different temperatures for different times of the day. Some are even smart thermostats that can learn your preferences and be controlled remotely via a smartphone. This simple device plays a critical role in both comfort and energy efficiency. The furnace or heat pump is the heart of the heating and often cooling operation. A furnace typically burns fuel like natural gas or oil, or uses electric resistance to generate heat. This heat is then transferred to the air, which is circulated throughout the building. A heat pump works differently. It doesn't generate heat directly. Instead, it moves heat from one place to another. In winter, it extracts heat from the outdoor air or the ground and brings it inside. In summer, many heat pumps can reverse their operation to act like an air conditioner, removing heat from indoors and expelling it outside. These are versatile and often energy-efficient options. When it comes to air conditioning, several key components work together. The compressor is a vital part, often located in the outdoor unit. It pressurizes the refrigerant, a special cooling fluid, increasing its temperature. The condenser, also usually in the outdoor unit, then allows this hot, high-pressure refrigerant to release its heat to the outside air, causing it to cool and condense into a liquid. The evaporator coil, typically found in the indoor unit, is where the magic of cooling happens. The liquid refrigerant flows through this coil, absorbs heat from the indoor air passing over it, and evaporates back into a gas, making the air cooler. Ductwork forms the circulatory system for many HVAC setups. These are the channels or pipes that distribute conditioned air, heated or cooled throughout the building. The air is pushed through the ducts by a blower fan, usually located in the air handler or furnace. Well-designed and properly sealed ductwork is essential for efficient operation. Leaky or poorly insulated ducts can lead to significant energy loss. The refrigerant is the lifeblood of air conditioning and heat pump systems. It is a chemical compound that can easily absorb and release heat as it changes state between a liquid and a gas, enabling the cooling cycle. Beyond the common split systems, there are other types of HVAC configurations. Ductless mini-split systems are excellent for homes without existing ductwork or for conditioning individual rooms or additions. They consist of an outdoor unit connected to one or more indoor units mounted on walls or ceilings. Hybrid systems, also known as dual fuel systems, combine an electric heat pump with a traditional gas furnace. The system intelligently switches between the two fuel sources based on outdoor temperatures and energy prices, optimizing for efficiency and comfort. Packaged systems, meanwhile, contain all major components: heating, cooling, and air handling, in a single outdoor cabinet, often placed on the roof or beside a building. The primary goal of any HVAC system is to provide thermal comfort. This means creating an indoor environment where occupants feel neither too hot nor too cold. It also involves managing humidity to comfortable levels. Beyond just temperature, HVAC plays a crucial role in maintaining good indoor air quality, IAQ. By ventilating spaces and filtering air, these systems help to remove dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne particles. Some advanced systems can also remove smaller pollutants like bacteria, viruses, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Good IAQ is essential for health, especially for individuals with allergies or respiratory conditions. It makes the indoor environment more pleasant and safer. Energy efficiency is a major consideration in modern HVAC design and selection. HVAC systems can account for a significant portion of a building's energy consumption. Therefore, choosing an energy-efficient system can lead to substantial savings on utility bills. Efficiency ratings like SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, for air conditioners, and AFUE, Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency, for furnaces, help consumers compare different models. Beyond cost savings, energy-efficient HVAC systems also have a smaller environmental footprint. They consume less energy, which often means reduced greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. This makes them a more sustainable choice for climate control. Ultimately, HVAC systems are fundamental to building health. By controlling temperature and humidity, They help prevent problems like mold and mildew growth, which can damage building structures and contents. Proper ventilation also helps to vent out moisture that could otherwise lead to condensation and decay. Understanding the basics of your HVAC system is therefore essential. It allows you to make informed decisions about its operation, maintenance, and potential upgrades. Regular maintenance, such as changing filters and having professional inspections, ensures the system runs efficiently and reliably. This knowledge empowers you to maintain a comfortable, healthy, and energy-efficient indoor environment for years to come.